Hello everyone, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens. In this video I'm going to be talking about my goji berry plant and why this was the worst plant I've ever grown, at least in this garden. And I grow over 225 different plants in this garden, and this is the one that gives me nightmares. And we're going to talk about that right now. Okay, first of all, I did not realize how bad the thorns are on the goji berry plant. Now, if you have toddlers like I do or did, and I have a new one where, you know, in about a couple years she's going to be walking around the garden following me, I do not want her walking through this and poking herself in the eye. Even my dog, I would hate to have the idea of her being poked right in the eye because she ran through this plant. Okay, that's the first problem with this plant. Second problem, it is a powdery mildew magnet. No matter how open I prune it, no matter how much wind comes through, how much sunlight comes through, it just wants powdery mildew. It just wants to be its cousin, I guess. It loves powdery mildew, no matter what. Now I understand everybody's a little different. I understand. That's fine. But I never had any powdery mildew issues in my whole entire garden with those set amount of plants I grow until I had this plant. So forget that. Next, it barely produces anything. That's all it's produced. Maybe 6 berries. I'll give it 10. 10 berries all year. That's it. That's all. It does this and then just drops it off. Doesn't do anything else. And the other huge problem that it has, and I understood when I purchased it beforehand, but I didn't know it was this invasive / aggressive, is its sucker growth. And I thought when I first bought it, you know, I would see sucker growth here, there, here, but now I'll get sucker growth, and I already pulled it out, all the way over here. From all the way over there. That's about 10 feet, maybe 9 feet away. And it's young still. It's a mess. It has wicked thorns, powdery mildew, doesn't produce for me, causes sucker growth everywhere. I'm going to take, because I grow organically or naturally, mimicking the forest, I'm not going to use Roundup. So it's who knows how long it's going to take to get all these roots out of the ground everywhere. This plant was not worth it at all. Happy gardening, everyone.
Hello, everyone. So, like, share, subscribe. And bye, everyone. I can't remember.